You've heard of Steve Jobs. You've watched Elon Musk. But this man, he powers them all silently. Tesla's Autopilot, powered by him. ChatGPT, trained on his GPUs. Google, Meta, Microsoft, they all rely on one man's creation. And yet, he doesn't chase the spotlight. He walks in quietly, leather jacket on, calm face, billion-dollar brain. His name? Jensen Huang, the man who didn't just join the AI revolution. He engineered it from the ground up. Now picture this. You're 9 years old, sent away from home, dropped into a country you barely understand, living in an orphanage, cleaning toilets to survive. The American dream? No, this was survival. But fast forward a few decades. You're now running a $3 trillion tech company and most powerful AI systems on Earth. They breathe because of your hardware. Sounds like fiction, right? Nope. This is real. This is the story of Jensen Huang. Born in Taiwan in 1963, Jensen's journey didn't start with privilege. At age 9, his parents sent him to the United States for a better future. But what he found was anything but easy. He was placed in a boarding school that used to be an orphanage. He washed dishes. He cleaned bathrooms. He faced racism. He struggled to speak the language. He didn't fit in. But there was one thing he had: Zid, Jazba, Janun, an unstoppable curiosity, and a mind built for invention. He studied electrical engineering at Oregon State University, and then a master's at Stanford, where dreams become empires. Where others saw games, Jensen saw systems. Where others played for fun, he was quietly learning how to rebuild the future. In 1993, Jensen co-founded NVIDIA with 2 friends. Back then, it was just another chip company, a small fish in a massive ocean. Their goal? Make graphics cards for gamers. But Jensen, he wasn't thinking about just gaming. He was thinking decades ahead. He imagined computers that could think, learn, and predict. He saw the rise of AI before the world had even heard the term. While the tech world was obsessed with CPUs, Jensen made a bold move. He bet everything on GPUs. And slowly, the world caught up. In the 2010s, something extraordinary happened. AI researchers realized that NVIDIA's GPUs were perfect for deep learning. Why? Because unlike CPUs that work sequentially, GPUs handle thousands of processes at once, perfect for teaching machines how to think. Suddenly, NVIDIA was no longer a gaming brand. It became the core engine behind the biggest breakthroughs in AI: self-driving cars, medical diagnostics, neural networks, chatbots, robots, scientific simulations, even language models like GPT, all of them powered by NVIDIA. By 2022, ChatGPT went viral. The world was mesmerized, but behind the scenes, it was Jensen's chips, the A100S, that did the heavy lifting. And just like that, the world finally realized Jensen wasn't just a CEO. He was the godfather of modern AI. In 2024, NVIDIA's value crossed $3 trillion. Yes, trillion, with a T. The H100 chip, so valuable it was called AI gold. Tech giants, OpenAI, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, they weren't just customers. They were dependents. Jensen became one of the richest men alive, worth over $100 billion. But here's the twist. He didn't change. No flashy lifestyle. No limelight hunger. While other billionaires bought islands, Jensen showed up to every keynote. in the same black leather jacket. Minimalist, focused, deadly. No luxury cars, no $1 million watches, no TikTok reels. His biggest luxury? Silence, precision, power. He works like a machine, thinks like a philosopher, speaks like a monk. Every sentence? Short, calculated, powerful. He doesn't chase virality. He builds eternity. And Jensen? He's just getting started. In his words, generative AI is the most important technology shift in human history. He imagines a world where doctors use AI to cure cancer. Children in villages learn like Ivy League students. Artists use AI to build universes. And at the heart of it all, NVIDIA's chips. His vision, he's also building digital twins. Real-time virtual versions of factories, cities, even the human body. He isn't riding the AI wave. He's creating the ocean. So what makes Jensen different from other tech billionaires? It's not luck. It's not ego. It's not followers. It's timing. It's focus. It's a plan that started 30 years ago. When others chased trends, Jensen shaped the future. When others built apps, Jensen built the hardware that made apps possible. He didn't join the AI gold rush. He built the mine. In a world full of noise, Jensen Huang is the signal. No hype, no drama, just pure world-changing impact. Behind every chatbot, behind every self-driving vehicle, behind every AI miracle, there's a chip, and behind that chip, there's a man in a leather jacket, quietly, relentlessly reshaping our reality. His name might not be on every headline, but his technology will live in every home, every hospital, every machine. He didn't just bet on the future. He built it. From an orphanage in Kentucky to running the most powerful AI company on Earth. Jensen Huang proves that your beginning doesn't define your ending. Your vision does. He didn't start with money. He started with obsession, with conviction. And today, the AI dreams of the world are running because he built the silicon that powers them. This isn't just a rags to riches story. It's a blueprint for anyone bold enough to bet on the impossible. So, if you're watching this wondering, can I do something big? Ask yourself, if a quiet boy from Taiwan can build the world's most advanced tech empire, why not you? Direct it if the story inspired you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment. Respect to the AI king Jensen Huang. And subscribe for more untold stories of genius minds and game changers.